What up, what up, what up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy Bee, and I'm back with another wig review. I've been gone for a few, but now I'm back. And you guys have been watching my channel because I noticed my subscribers went up. So thank you guys so much. Holla, holla, hoot, hoot. Thank you for watching me. So I'm going to give you this great wig review on the unit I have today. So I'm really loving this unit that I have on. It's a wig. And it's their 360 all-around deep lace wig. It's 100% human hair mix. So it's not all the way real, you know what I'm saying? But it is a 360 all around, so you can put it up because it's got 360 lace all around. So that's a plus for those of you who really like to do that whole type of thing and like have your hair up and buns and all that type of stuff. I don't really do all that, so. The color I got this in is a P1B30. So you guys can go ahead and see that beautiful color. I love the parts. And yeah, I mean, this is the unit here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. It's good and snug, I'll tell you that much. That is definitely a plus. It is real snug, okay? Like super snug. So this hair really feels good actually. So that's definitely a plus. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm gonna go in with some concealer. The NYX Stay Matte in medium beige. Okay, that looks good. What I do, gotta be glued. I don't do like my whole forehead and headline. I just do kind of the tabs on the side near the ear tabs and just use that to go in and place where I need it and then just hold down on the sides. That way, when I want to take it off, you know, at night or whatever, I don't have a whole head. I just wet right there and it easily comes off my head. So so that's what I do. But if you guys feel more secure with having it all the way on, definitely do that. And that's pretty much it for this unit. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that button that's right down here. It's like right down here. Or it could be right down here. Not really sure where it is, but it's down there. Hit that button right there in my video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and make comments as well. I do look at every single comment. And also follow me on Instagram if you already know. If you don't know, now you're gonna know. But follow me on Instagram at It's Me Busy Bee, because if you see a unit that I have on there and you're like, yo B, what's that? I'll go ahead and do a wig review for you guys so you can see that unit. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram at It's Me Busy Bee. So tell me what you guys think about this unit. Thanks for watching.